Hey guys, I have these notes for polynomial long division. I want to make the same notes for synthetic division. And we're doing this divided by this. And after we go through it all, we have an answer. So we're going to do the same thing with synthetic division. We're going to set up the box, and on the outside for the x plus 3, we put a negative 3. This is the corresponding root or solution for this factor. And then on the inside, we're just going to put the coefficients. So for this x cubed, we're going to put a 1. And then for the 7x squared, we're going to put a 7. For 10x, we're going to put a 10. And then for negative 6, we're going to put a negative 6. And then we'll do the synthetic division. First, we'll bring down the 1. And then we're going to multiply negative 3 times 1 to give us negative 3. And then we're going to add the 7 plus the negative 3, which is 4. And then we'll multiply again. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And then we're going to add again. 10 plus negative 12 is negative 2. And then we're going to multiply again. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. And then we're going to add negative 6 plus 6 is 0. We started with a degree of 3, but after we did this division, our degree is going to go down by 1. So this first coefficient belongs with x squared. And then the second coefficient is going to belong with x. And then the third one is the constant. And then the 0 would be our remainder, so that would be over the thing that we originally divided by. But since it's 0, that can go away. And then we also don't need this 1 in front. And now I have a beautiful example for the website. If you want to check out the page, I have a link in the description. Let me know what you think. How exciting.